So here's a quick tip of replacing the oil line and oil filter on a Stihl MS 170 chainsaw. Usually to replace the filter on a Stihl saw, just grab a piece of wire and try to lift up the filter on the tank. But when you try this at the oil filter on the MS 170, you might notice the oil line is too short to reach out and to pull out the oil filter. So in this case you have to do something else. To take out the oil filter, simply pull out the oil line, and you will see that the oil filter will fit through the hole of the line. So it's an easy job to replace the filter. Simply put the new filter on the new line first, like this. Just push it in, like that, very tight. And the next thing you want to do is insert the new filter into the hole on the bottom. Slide it in like that and push it in, so like that. But you want to have the flat side on this part of the tank, so it will face properly to the intake to the oil pump. So now you've got the new line and filter placed properly. In this video I already had the oil tank out of the saw because of a major repair I showed you in some other video. You might want to check that out also. In this case it was a quick fix tip to you all.